how to download your Facebook photos all at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can download all of the Facebook photos at once. So without further delay, let's get started on this video. So first of all, you have to launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. So once you're here, you have to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner with the 3-line icon. That's gonna take you to the menu page. So on the menu page again, at the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Under settings and privacy, tap on the first section, that is Meta Account Center. So under this page again, you have to scroll down a bit, head to its account settings section. There you have to select your information and permissions and then tap on it. Now once you land on this page, tap on the third option that says download your information. Once you're here again, head to its download or transfer information. Select your Facebook account and tap on next. Now here you have to select specific type of information since we only want to download the Facebook photos. Once you land on this page, scroll down a bit and then tap on see more. So from here you can select the post option since all of your photos is available on your account or your Facebook account posts. You have to scroll down and check for the options such as photos or videos. If you're not able to find that, then you can simply continue with your post. Once done, tap on next. And here select download to device. Here you have to select your account, the format and the media quality. Also, if you want to select the date range, tap on the date range and select the time. Once you're done, tap on create file. After that, the Facebook will start preparing your photos. Then you will get a notification or emails once it's ready. Then all you got to do is click or tap on download option and enter your Facebook password to confirm. Then you will receive a zip file containing all the folders of your album, and each album will have your photos from your Facebook account. And that's how you can download all of your Facebook photos all at once. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.